Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your loan limit with Stima Sacco. If you intend to take a mobile loan with Stima Sacco, it is first wise to get to know the loan amount you are eligible that you can apply, and this we are talking of Mpawa loans. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Stima Sacco official website and then scroll down and click on internet banking. Now, if you have an account, you can go ahead and log in, but if you don't have an account, you'll need to do self-registration and instantly you'll be able to log. You don't need to go to the banking hall to register on the internet banking. Once you're done, log into your account. As you can see, this is my internet banking account. And from here, we can perform various activities such as checking the loan balances, checking our account balances, as well as statements for various accounts. Now, we are interested in checking our loan limit for Mpawa or Funika. Now, to do that, head over to Loans, this section, Loans, and click on it. And you'll be directed to this loan page. And from here, we can perform various activities such as loan requests, get the loan summary, get the loan calculator, as well as repay loans, and do even an Mpawa top-up. For our case, we want to know the amount we are eligible. So go and hit on loan requests, and here select Mpawa. Then to get to know the amount you are eligible, go ahead and select your prime account, and then assume you are taking a loan and select the months you want to take the loan, and select the repayment period you wish to take the loan. Now give it some seconds for the system to calculate the amount you are eligible. Now, as you can see, the amount I'm eligible has been displayed here. So that's how you check the amount of Mpawa loan you are eligible. Now from here, you can go ahead and enter the amount you wish to borrow using the amount you are eligible to guide you. Now, if you want to check your Funika loan amount limit, you can as well go ahead and select the number of months. And instead of choosing months, choose the last option, which is Funika loan, and wait for it to calculate the amount you are eligible. And there we go. The amount I'm eligible has been displayed. So from here, you can just enter the amount you wish and then click on submit to complete the process. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section, and kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.